Hello my dear student, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the topic articles. Okay, I think everyone know the article in a primary class, just like 4, 5, 6. It is very general topic that used in every class, and when we have to read some of the sentences and read the chapter, then we have to get a lot of the articles used in every kind of the sentence. Okay, so first we know the what is the mean of articles, and then the type of articles. Okay, so let's start the video and know more thing about the articles. Okay, first here is the word article. What is the meaning of the article? Article is a word that used, you can say that it is a just like a prefix. Okay, it is a, well, we can say that it is the prefix that used with a noun word. Okay, we have to use it noun word, and you have to learn that there are three articles word. How many article words? Three articles word, and the three article word is and, a, and the. Okay, a and the. And when we have to classify the articles word, just like that, we have to divide the article, then it will be two parts. Okay, how many parts? It will be two parts. First is indefinite articles, and second is definite articles. In indefinite articles we have to use two words like a and an. Okay, a and an, both meaning will be one. Okay, both meaning will be one, and we have to use a and in a sentence as a different way. Okay, and next is the definite article. Okay, so we have to learn it one by one. First we know about the definite article, and after that we have to know definite article. First is the definite article. So in definite articles, you know, there is the use two words like a and an, and both are the word is article word, and its meaning will be one. Okay, just like that, each year, an orange. Okay, a chair means one chair, and an orange means one orange. So same sense of the both article word one. Okay, so first we know the article a. First we know about the article a, and after that we have to know the article an. Okay, so a, here is the definition of a different articles. The word a and an are called indefinite articles. Okay, because they do not point to any special person or things. It means both are the article words. No one point, no any things are person point. Okay, that is the here, no any it is no point, not pointing to any special person or things. Okay, it is the use for the common person or things, and so this is the indefinite articles. That's clear. The articles a and an are called indefinite articles because they do not point to a particular person or a things. Okay, we use a and an before the countable nouns in the singular number. You can see here the example. I give you some example like a chair. Okay, a chair, and orange. So you can see here there is a chair and orange word. Both word is a countable word, and we can use the a and an with a countable noun. That's clear. And we use a article before word that begin with a consonants. Okay, consonants. You know very well when you have to read alphabet, then there are 26 letters in alphabet. Okay, And when we divide it, it means classify the alphabet into the two parts. First will be vowels. Okay, first will be vowels and second will be consonants. Okay, first part is the vowels and second part is a consonants. In the vowels there are five letters: A, E, I, O, U. Okay, it is the only five words and rest of the 21 words. Okay, lift the vowels letter, lift the vowels letter, and rest of the 21 letters will be the consonants. Just like that, B, uh, B, C, D, F, G, H, etc. are the word letters that is the called consonants. Okay, so it means when we use a articles before the word that begin with a consonant sound. Okay, consonant sound we use and before word that begin with a vowels sound. For example, you can see here just like that. Here is a simple example. You can see on the board. Here is the chair. In the chair, you can see here a C letter. This chair word will start a C letter, and this C is a consonants letter. And when any noun word start with a consonants letter, then we have to use a articles. That's clear. And when in noun words, when a any kind of the noun word or countable noun word start with a vowels letter. I am telling before that A, E, I, O, U is a vowels word. So here the O is a vowels letters. So when the word start, when the noun word start with the vowels letter, then we have to not use a article. Here you have to use an articles. That's clear. Just like that. Take another example. An empty bottle. Okay. So you can see here the empty. Here is the pronunciation of the empty, and use here the vowels article. So you can use and with the E. Start the word with the E. Okay, and you can see here a good friend. So here the G is a consonants letter, and when the noun word start with the consonants letter, then you can use here a articles. That's clear. And we have to use a before the word that begin with a E and U, because they have an initial Y sound. Okay, just like that. Take an example, just like that, Europe, university. We have to use it like university. Okay. In this word, you can see this word start with the U, and U is a vowels letter. U is a vowels letter, but we cannot use with an. We cannot use an with the word university. Why? Because U pronunciation. It means sound of U is not coming as a vowels. Its pronunciation is coming as a consonants, like a not. It is the not a university. Okay, university, it is the university. So you here, it is the pronunciation of consonants. Okay, so when we have to get the pronunciation of the consonants by using, if use of the vowels letter, then we have always use a articles. Okay, not use an articles. It will be a articles. Just like that, a university, a European, A, union, etc. are the words we have to use in this situation. That's clear. And next, when the noun word start with H, okay, just like we use and before the word that begin with a silent H, just like that. Higher, okay, higher or honest, you know very well the word honest. So you can see here the H, H, both are the consonants letter, but here is the both letters means H and H are the silent and its pronunciation coming from the E and AO. Okay, so we have to use here not A. Cause of H we cannot use here A, okay. Cause of E and O and its pronunciation is as a vowel, so we can use an articles. That's clear, okay. The word start with the consonants, but its pronunciation is a vowels, and here the some word that became the silent, then we have to use an articles, not here use a articles. That clear? And we use and before the abbreviations if, okay, we use and before the abbreviations if the consonants begin with a vowel sound. Okay. For example, you can see here is the short form of the word M A. Okay. So here the word is M as a consonant, but we can use here N. Okay. Why? Because of the abbreviation, and we have to get many of the words just like MP, that we can use N articles, not A articles. That's clear. And we use A or N before a singular countable noun which is used to represent a class of the thing. Okay, just like that, a buffalo is useful animal. Okay, a buffalo is a useful animal. Okay, so in this phase you can see here we use a and an articles before a singular countable noun. You can see here is the singular countable noun, and we can use a and an article with the singular countable noun which is used to represent a class of the things. So you can see here, here is the a buffalo is useful animal. So here is the express the class of the buffalo. Okay, and what is the benefit of the buffalo? It is the useful animal. Okay, so you can use here, here's the buffalo, so use a articles. Okay, and it is the useful, so you can see here the u is a as a pronunciation is consonant, so you can use here a. Okay, so and next is we use a or an to indicate one person, just like that, a bird, a chair, a table, etc. the many words we have to use, and a represent for the one person or one things or one animals. That's clear. And we use a or an to make a common noun of a pronoun, a proper noun. Okay, just like that, we have a, okay, so when we have to use a and an articles, okay, just like that we have to use a and or an articles to make a common noun of a proper noun. So you can see here in the example we have a Daniel in our midst. Okay, so you can see that the Daniel word is a proper noun, but here is the Daniel word used for the we. Okay, it means we is a not a particular person, it is a many of the person, and we can use Daniel as a common noun. And when we convert the proper noun into the common noun, then we can use a articles. That's clear. Okay, so next is we use a or an when we speak of a profession. For example, he is a doctor, he is a doctor. You are a teacher, you are a teacher. So when you represent, when you express about any kind of the profession, so then you have to use a articles. That's clear. You can use a articles to represent your, or you speak of a profession. Okay, next we use a before word like a dozen, quarter, thousand, few, little, and lot of. Okay, for example, I will tell you something example, just like, can you give me a little sugar? Can you give me a little? Okay, or a few mango, a few mango, or a quarter of a kilometers, a quarter of kilometer. So you have to use a dozen, a quarter, a thousand, a few, a little, etc. are the word we have to use a articles with this stuff, this word. Okay, so I think you know very well about the a and I think you also identify and make the difference between the a and. Okay, in the next video we have to learn about the definite articles. That's clear.